In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT with Blender, so let's get started. You can use ChatGPT to generate the prompt or Python prompt that we can use and go and paste on the Blender. So let's say we want this prompt with us to write a Blender Python script that will generate a bunch of 3D monkeys, and just hit on enter. Just wait for it to generate its response, and it will generate a Python code that we can copy. So just hit on the copy on the right hand side, and from the Python scripting, click new, and from the text we can just paste the code that we got from ChatGPT and paste it from here with the Blender, and just hit on enter. And as you can see, it will generate its result that we had too many 3D monkeys. I hope I am able to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!